Hello YouTube, and this is a little capacitor dropper circuit that I designed a few years back, and it's a very simple thing. It's just capacitor, fuse, inrush limiting resistor, bridge rectifier, output capacitor, and then your LED load. In this case I've got a filament. It's got a few of these made. There's a few products out there with these in them, but I've had one or two returns now and they've all failed in the same way. This resistor here seems to blow, this 470 ohm inrush limiting resistor, which makes no sense because it should only be passing a few milliwatts, and it's a quarter watt resistor. So I'm not sure why they're blowing. There's a very small voltage drop across it as well. So I'm going to do some testing, and what I want to do is power cycle it. So effectively this. So I've got an on-off switch here, so I can turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. And I just want to repeat this over and over again for days, years, hours, seconds. But of course that's going to wear my fingers out and I'm going to get very tired. So I'm going to have to make a little test set. Now I have a relay, and this is a solid state relay. There's no moving parts. 240 volt one side, 3 to 32 volt the other side. So I can put that in the cable and then have a timer time it. So there's the relay in series with the circuit under test and the mains. Now you might be thinking this is dangerous because you've got exposed main connections here, you've got exposed main connections here, and you've got really thin cable. In fact, this is big cable, then you've got a plug going to the mains, and you think, oh, this looks unsafe. Well, it is. There you go. So if I turn it on, it still lights. I didn't expect that to light. Why is that still lit? Ah, it's gone dim. I think the issue we have is there's a slight leakage on that relay. This could scupper my plans. Relay is now connected, and as a clock source I've got a 555 timer running up there, and that's what it's doing at the moment. There you go. It's turning brighter and dimmer because what's happening is when it's off, this has got some capacitance that's letting current leak through and leaving the lamp to light up, a bit like the cheap eBay lamps that you can get which always stay on. So this is what this is doing. Now I could leave this running anyway because it is a test of sorts, or I could put a 1 meg resistor across the input pins of this, and that should quell the leakage. We'll give that a try. I'm going to use, these are 560k resistors. I'm going to use 2 of them in series, so I solder these together and then put this across the mains input here, and that will increase the voltage rating of these because I don't know what the data sheet on these resistors are. So by putting 2 of them in series, it will half the 240 volts from the main, so they're only going to see 120 volts each, so they should be okay with that. And that's just, no, it doesn't really matter because I mean, look at it. Yeah, so I'm just going to whack them across there. That was off by the way, wasn't it? Yes, that was fine. It's fine, I know what I'm doing. Let's put them across there and see if that stops them from lighting up when it's off. Resistor bodged across. Let's turn it on. Well, that didn't work. Oh well, I tried. Anyway, I've given up with that now. I'm going to leave that to run for a few days. I might tape it up so it's safe, but it's okay. There's no one else that comes in here. And and it doesn't cost me anything because this is all solar powered, which is nice. So yeah, I'm going to leave this running, and then if it doesn't work, replace the relay for a mechanical relay that'll give it a sort of decisive shut off. I think that's really the best bet. I've got a mechanical relay somewhere around here. But yeah, so I'm going to be testing these for a few days just to make sure that the design is actually legit, and I've maybe just got a bad batch of resistors or something. Maybe I've built them wrong. But anyway, that's it for now. Bit of a testing R&D going on, and we'll be seeing you later. Bye for now. Don't finger pokey.